Hi everyone, I am Bindeshwar from Post Network, and in this video you will see that how to check whether a number is even or odd. But before checking whether a number is even or odd, first of all let us see that what is a modulus operator. So here a variable num which is referring to 4 and expression which is R assignment operator num modulus operator 2. Here R will refer remainder when 2 divides num, and if you use print and if you print R, so the value of R would be 0 because 2 divides 4. Now let us see that if you change value of num, which num is referring to 5, then what will be the value of R? So again here num is referring to 5 and the same expression R assignment operator num modulus operator 2. So again in this case R will refer remainder when 2 divides num and the value of num is 5, and if R is getting printed, so the value of R would be 1. Here because R the value of R is 1 because num is an odd number. 2 cannot divide it completely. Remainder would be 1. So these two concepts we will use to check whether a number is even or odd. You can see that the first statement num and integer function which will convert input into an integer because input will return a string. So input function will take input from user. Now see that here if num modulus operator 2 equal to 0, so if you take the value of num 4, so what will happen? Basically num modulus operator 2 would be equal to 0 and the block of if will get executed. That means print number is even. However, if you take input 5, so what will happen? So the expression num modulus operator 2 will not be equal to 0. So control will get transferred at else and the block of else will get executed. So the block of else, which is, you can see that print number is odd. So if you have taken 5, so the output would be number is odd, and if you have taken even, so it will print number is even.